No. Welcome, the Alligator's Garage. First thing on the agenda, these holes, the lights go in and the board is too low, so it hits. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my trusty hole saw and getting down here. You can see in the hole. See the wood in there? Well, that's what we did. We're notching it out so we have a tunnel. That'll weaken the wood, but it is what it is. Welcome to the Alligator's Garage. With Regina, too, wherever she is. Regina! Say hi! Yep, real simple. Just sticking my finger in there. It's that simple. That was weird. What happened? That didn't work too with that one, didn't it? Look, we have Dumb and Dumber down here. Check it out. All the lights are soldered. So now what I have to do is cross member in the back end here. I gotta modify this. Put a plate over it. Put that in, get that welded in and sewed good. And then boards go back. We're gonna weld that toolbox thingy that I made back together. Then once that's in, I can come to the back here and clamp this. Put the piece of angle in that's going to hold all these boards down. And then the plate's right there. We'll be putting that in next. We had to customize this plate because when we made those holes, didn't count on them. So now this is going to get banged in the back of the truck. Right here. No, right here. And we're going to sew that in. And then the plate will go in the back of this. Then I still have to make those toolbox brackets. I have to paint them. What a day. What a week. Say hi, Regina. Say hello. Say hi, Gigi. So, yeah. Morning. We got a lot done yesterday. Should have got more done, but it is what it is. Today I gotta put the back plate on, but I need to straighten the cab out because she had a cab's crooked, the phone's straight, she had a cab's crooked. Well, I'm afraid that's gonna make this crooked. So I'm just gonna jack that wheel up here on that side. Put blocking under it, get the cab level. And then we can throw this plate on the back. After I weld the cross member in that I tuned up last night. Gigi, say good morning. So without further ado, let's try to make something happen. Welcome to the Alligator's Garage. How is that? Is that pretty good, Gigi? Regina, does that look safe? Of course it's safe. jacking it up on a hill, on an angle. What could possibly go wrong? Look at that. It's almost straight. Almost. Jack it more. This is perfectly safe. I mean, what could possibly happen? I think it's fine. Perfectly fine. Right, Regina? Yeah, jack up a little bit more. Shove that under there. He'll be fine, I hope. Sure. What else could go wrong? Told you. Not an issue. Ooh, who was supposed to do that? Where did you leave you sitting in dirt there for a minute? That's good. That should be fine. Yeah. On to the next phase. I don't know which way this goes in. But it probably don't matter. What do you think, Regina? Well, that ain't gonna work. There. Tommy's supposed to come over at some point. There. Now you just get it flat. Which obviously it's not. Like so. I like the looks of that. I'm going to just take a grinder, chew this up a little bit, and there we go. Zzz, 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 zzz. This is what we're going to do. Then once we do that, we're going to get the plate up on there and drill holes through this to hold the plate that's there on the ground. Thomas Salamas is supposed to come over to help with that. So we're going to get drilling and we'll get back to you. Nope, we're going to get welding. We'll get back to you. Yeah, that's it. Sewing. This welder's really humming now. Ooh. And we're talking like maximum hummage. Did we take a shortcut here? You better believe it. We definitely took a shortcut. All you gotta do is take the grinder and maybe snip some of it off. Wire wheel, because obviously before we put the plate up here permanent, it's all gonna have to be painted somehow. And put it together. It's working pretty good. No, not even a little. Tell me that ain't solid. That ain't going anywhere. You see, you're not supposed to roll the frame, but look at this. First of all, it's at the very end. And second of all, this frame is like 1/4 inch thick. That's not an issue. Maybe even 5/16. Actually, I think more like 5/16. So that's not even an issue there. We're in good shape there. Still got to drop the hitch. We're going to put another crossbar in the hitch that I have to do, but that's doesn't need to be done to get it. What do you call it? Enhanced inspect. What we got next? We're going to go drill holes. Oh, that thing there, I have 2 other clamps on me, regular ones. Will that work better? I was going to buy one of them, but instead I bought 3 of the other ones like this one for the same price as one of them.
Yeah, but these work better.
And again, I bought 3 of those for the same price as one of those.
But you're not listening.
I know you're not, you're right, you're not listening.
It takes you 5 minutes to unscrew that from bottom to top. It takes 2 seconds. Choom, choom.
Time is money, not in my case. Saving.
So time is money, so
we
time
just
time faster than them.
Yeah, so what do we do? Just move this board and put a clamp in here or what? We gotta pull it tight somehow. Now look, you almost broke my safety glasses.
Well, you're the dummy for leaving them on there.
Oh, there is a clamp right there. See, told you.
Well, you hide it with them with all your things.
We're trying to hide everything. There's thieves around here. That board and this board. Hold on a second. Calm down.
Yeah, why don't we put
I'm
the
just gonna put a thing underneath it.
yeah, why don't we put the back plate on and then put everything on top so we can't pull the boards out?
Well, that's what I kind of figured would work best. Why would you want to do something that makes sense? See? That wasn't hard.
Well, now spend 5 minutes unscrewing that clamp down.
Talk so dumb.
You're going the wrong way.
Oh shit, I gotta do it in here. Well, see.
Yeah,
First
see?
of all,
See? I would have had it clamped up by now.
you know, I understand that, but that's irrelevant.
I would have had it clamped up and been done. Moved on to the next project.
I hope this takes this.
I would have been 5 projects ahead of you.
Wow, that's getting kind of brutal, isn't it?
No, it's not.
Oh, but it is.
Oh, no.
Oh, but it is. Perfect. Nope. Man, this thing bends really easy, you know? Look at it. It's even loose here.
Yeah, fair enough.
Did you just kick that?
No, it went on its own, so now it's off the hitch.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be on the hitch, right?
Well, we thought so too, but it's off now.
Oh, that ain't good. Look how far away it is from that.
Yeah.
Dude, look from the side. Oh, shit.
gonna.
Well,
yeah.
we'll be fine.
Yeah, you're good.
Once we drill it, we can pull it back against.
Yeah.
But that means that has to be done before this is welded, because this obviously is not going to sit flush.
All right.
Oh yeah, it looks.
Well, yeah. Yeah. See, this one's actually in that way, and over there is out.
I pointed this out to you last time.
Well, somebody didn't cut things right.
Look,
You know?
you act like I'm an expert fabricator. No, I'm not.
Yeah, somebody didn't cut it right.
Yeah, that's a little far away.
Oh.
That'll come back though.
Yeah, till you bolted.
I'll drill these holes. See, now that you... Oh, no! Son of a...
What you do, put the holes right where your holes are.
That one's fine. Look at that one.
I can't, somebody's in the way.
Great. And I just thought of something.
What?
I can't use this for a template.
Why?
Because those are 7/16 holes.
So?
I'm not going to be able to drill them.
Get a 7/16 drill bit.
Where?
Lowe's?
This isn't gooder. Why does nothing turn out right here?
Tell him to get a 7/16 drill bit.
I guess we got to go get a drill bit. Next stage of the game. Drill. Take a bolts through here. Bring the toolbox over. Lift it up underneath here. Put it up against. Drill my holes in that where I want it. And then I can drop these because I'm going to have to take it all apart to paint it, you know. But once these holes are done, now we can get the deck on and get this truck, back of this truck done. In 90-degree weather. Perfect. Welcome to Algar's Garage again. Okay, now, this is the king of being lazy. But remember, work harder. No, wrong. Work smarter, not harder. So what we do is, we take the piece of angle iron, put it in there against the drill, like so, and we drill. And I don't have to push my buns off. Just that simple. You want a drill bit to live, you should really spray it once in a while, you know. Just one good shot. That's good. But now I'm not sweating anymore. Tell me that ain't cool. That's how it's almost through. See, I don't have it on drill because on drill this thing will literally twist your wrist off. This little sucker is brutal. There. Perfect. Now we're going to wheel that toolbox up here, put it under here, so we drill our last 4 holes. Then we're going to take apart and paint this side. So while that's doing, I'm going to charge the battery up more. Check this out. When you're a one-man band, this gets kind of complicated. So, I don't know how to do this. So I guess what we're going to do is not that. You put the jack under here. I don't know how else to do it. Need some little help. We'll use my hobo freight jack. That should work. I don't even think we're close. That might be closer. Yeah, seems to be working. Now, ooh, we don't want that. Yeah, we're gonna wreck our lights. That'll be bad. What do you think? You guys seeing it? I'm seeing it. I'm liking it. The problem I'm having here is I know that that doesn't go all the way back. You know, there was a space. There was a space. Remember that one-man band thing? Yeah, exactly. I don't think you're going to do much better than that. You just have to pull up tight. We're going to have one here. We'll have one on the top identical to it, I hope. There was a reason why it wasn't right up front, and I don't remember what it was. I can't remember what it was, what the reason was, why it wasn't right up front. But that's fine. plenty of room for our revival here. Everything we need. One in here. Here we're going to make a web yet to cover this area here. Or I may put a small toolbox here yet. I don't know. But this truck's going to be fully equipped. I have a weird feeling that there was a reason. That this was right in here or something. I may have to move the rack around a little bit. Hey, it looks good to me, right? It looks good to me. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our battery supply. These are at least 4 holes for this box. I can take this apart. Bolts will go through here, bolts will go through here. Except these bolts, I'm going to weld the top. Because how are you going to get at them if you got to drop a toolbox? So we'll drill those 4 holes. I'll drop the bolts down in there to make sure they're in there snug. I'm going to zip, 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 zip. And then this one will come off and we can get this one all fabbed up, painted. We got one more, and then once that one's done, hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to get the other stuff painted all back together. Then we can move forward. Get the deck back down, the back plate on. We're trying to have it ready for Rummage Brunks. I could tow the Thunderbird out with it, but I don't see it happening. Rummage Brunks in July in the media. The bird's going. I think Kool-Aid's going too. We're just going out to have fun. We'll see what happens. Check out my new rack. Didn't even pay anything for it, got it for free. Donation to the channel. Actually, I got a bunch of them. I got like 3 or 4. This is the one I'm using right now. Excellent for painting miscellaneous stuff. You need to make sure you have enough paint. So I put it on until it runs off on the floor. That's usually good enough. Yeah. Now that is enough paint. And I labeled them up here so I know where they go back. We are putting it on thick. We're talking like, yeah, all of it. You don't want to be scuffing anything. Come on. There, now you're done screwing around. There, you lose. The fan is doing it. But it's like 90 in the shade here or something like